Zdravím lidi, tady Turbo, vítám vás u dalšího dílu na hru Zaklínač divoký hon. Budeme pokračovat v příběhové linii. Jediné, co jsem od posledního udělal, je, že jsem si zašel k pikováři, kde jsem si vyrobil tuhle pěknou zbroj, plus i jeden meč. Ukážu vám, co to je. Jedná se o Gryfí zbroj, vylepšená, a Gryfí stříbrný meč. Nevím, proč mi to zde ukazuje 0 útočná síla, když tam mám ty dva šutry, ale dejme tomu. Je to, nevím, proč mi to nic, žádný útok nepřidává, proč jsou nulový, jestli to je jenom kvůli vzhledově. Můžete si všimnout, že mám krásně žlutý, oba dva, což je paráda. Nebudu si dělat celý set, protože brzy budu mít 17. level a pak bych si chtěl najít celý set kočky. Což nevím, co je za set, ale je to zase nějaký vylepšený. No. Teď nebudeme to nějak protahovat, já se rovnou přesunu dál v příběhu. Tady to je.
Gave the signal. Spies should show up in far corners before midnight.
Tak, jdeme na naše setkání. Jinak udělal jsem si i jeden úkol takový vedlejší, který jsou tady všude po městě, jako třeba jak se objeví ten vykřičníček, tak jeden, dva jsem shodou okolností cestou potkal. Bylo to zmláť, pomoc nelidem a podobně. Ta rasová náročnost, co tady je, tak to je teda ty rozmary, jak jdou po sobě, tak to je fakt masakr. Se úplně nesnáší, dokonce tady byl i někdo, kdo prostě říkal: a zaklínač, ty jsi nečistý, tamhle to bla bla bla, tak jsem s ním pokecal. Všichni ho prostě úplně uctívali, jak jo, jak je úplně hrdý, no a jenom jsem řekl: a kolik lidí si zachránil? Nedokázal odpovědět a oni na to řekli: no jo, huba plná keců, jdeme pryč lidi. Že s tím způsobem někdy to beru tak, jakože prostě jenom je strapním, někdy jim rozkopu držky, někdy chcípnou. Je to jak jde jenom. Já doufám, že brzy dáme ten vysoký level, aby se mohli pomoct tomu Hattorimu na ty lepší zbroje.
Now just to hide and wait. Blind man would even spot me here. Behind the door. Best place to hide. Classic.
Se klasicky schováme za dveře.
Triss? How'd you know to... Dijkstra, huh?
None other. I couldn't resist. Really want to see this through to the end.
Perfect place for a tryst. With Triss.
Mm-hmm. Ceilings collapsed, mold on the walls, mouse droppings in the corner. Lips almost pucker on their own.
Shh. He's coming, hide.
Menge.
Indisposed. Very indisposed.
I don't know who you are, but you're in deep. Shit right up to your nostrils.
You're in deeper, I assure you. But answer our questions and we'll help you get out.
The answer to each question will be the same. Sod off.
That's no way to talk to a lady.
To a lady, I never. But to a witch.
You can. Wouldn't recommend it, though. Had enough?
Fuck off. I can take this.
Of course you can. But I'm just getting started. You must be thinking, this can't possibly hurt any worse. Oh, it can.
enough!
So, gonna talk?
Yes! Yes! Just tell me what the fuck about!
We're looking for Dandelion. We know Menka captured him.
That's what this is all about. A fucking minstrel! You might have said so from the start, before you bloody started mucking my mind with magic. I can't believe it. For a miserable sap like that.
You expect an apology?
No. But I'm right to be surprised, haven't I? Dandelion is on Temple Isle, in the dungeon beneath the shrine. Menga's planning to execute him in Oxenfurt. Positively spectacular.
Afraid you'll have to call off the show.
How can we free Dandelion?
Those who leave Temple Isle do so only on Menga's orders. It's in person.
Damn it.
We'll find a way. I have an idea. Tell you later.
Pure curiosity. Who do you work for?
Won't say. No way.
Sure about that?
Radovid. I work for Radovid.
Radovid. What did he hope to gain by helping Menga?
He seeks to clear the field before he arrives.
Makes sense. Easier to take a city whose mages are gone.
Bastard. He'll pay for this.
Where'd Menga hide Sicky Ruben's treasure?
I haven't a clue.
You realize one word and you'll howl in pain.
Yeah, and yet I still say I don't know a thing. Does that make you think?
Think he's telling the truth?
Ugh, looks like it.
Enough. We've learned everything we wanted to.
Glad to hear it. Can I assume we can put this unfortunate incident behind us?
Not so fast. Geralt.
I know. You've seen too much.
But why? I told you. I'll never...
Either he dies, or I wipe his mind.
Strip him of his memory.
But I helped you. I helped.
It's not so bad, I promise.
Kiss, slay, and gave.
Really showed your claws today.
Is that how you see it? I'd put it differently. I showed how little I differ from these bastards. Let's finish up and leave. I want to go home, bathe, and get drunk.
Walk you home?
Not today, Geralt. Not today. But there is one other thing I wanted to talk about. So, mind coming by later? Menga's dead, true, but that hardly marks the end of my troubles.
Said you had an idea about freeing Dandelion.
Yes. We know he's on the island, and he'll stay there until Menga orders him transferred to Oxenfurt, right?
Mm-hmm. Problem is, Menga's dead. So...
No one else knows that. He could have escaped the fire. He could reappear. Him or someone very, very similar.
A Doppler?
Mm-hmm. Your old friend Dudu Biberveld impersonated the halfling merchant. Dandelion claimed he seemed more real than the original. So much so, Vivaldi gave him a loan of several thousand crowns without batting an eye.
Yeah, except Dudu's in hiding right now. Priscilla might know something, though.
Fingers crossed.
No. Tak budeme potřeba pomoct Dopplera, to je super. Otázka života a smrti. Tohle mě zajímá. Hlavní teď počká, uděláme nějaký ten vedlejší. A kudy? Už mi to začíná dávat trošku smysl. Loci čarodějníci jsou tady z toho důvodu, aby oslabili Novigrad, až přijede Radovid na útok. A dobít město. To, což je rozumné, no. Logický tah. A dokud to mám co kecat já, tak nebude.
Damn, you're ugly.
Pejtle zrovna teď. Prdím na tě.
Yes. Who are you here for?
Triss.
Told her from the start. No men, no pets. 'Tis a decent house for decent folk.
Don't worry, won't stay long.
Žádný chlap, jo. Taková kráska, že by si nevšetl žádných. Poslední přání. Aha.
Yes, Geralt?
What did you want to talk about?
I got a strange message. I don't quite know what to think.
Who was it from?
Ingrid Vegelbud's servant. Apparently, Lady Vegelbud's prepared to donate a tidy sum. She wants to help mages escape from Novigrad.
Guessing this wouldn't be a selfless act of charity.
You guess right. And that's my problem. Vegelbud needs a favor from me. No details in the letter, unfortunately. I'm supposed to meet the servant at the fish market. Says he needs to explain everything face to face, but these days I can't be sure meeting him's a good idea.
I don't think you should contact this man.
I'd like at least to check. My guess is this could be about a mage who needs help.
Seems suspicious, and you just had a close scrape. Sure it's not time to let one go?
And let the hunters grab the mages who remain here? Out of the question. If you don't want to help, tough.
Don't like this at all, but you seem determined. Not about to let you deal with it alone.
Thank you.
The servant. How are you supposed to contact him?
Said I'd recognize him. He'll be in a blue tunic, have a load of keys strapped to his belt. I'm supposed to ask him about the price for his trout.
Whose idea do you think this was? The servants or Vegelbud's?
My bet's on Ingrid. High-born damsels have a lot more time than their servants to read adventure novels.
Think it'll be better if I talk to the mystery man in the blue tunic.
He's expecting to meet me.
You just wait nearby. I'll make sure that note didn't come from the witch hunters. Then you come in.
Mm-hmm. Fine. Let's meet there.
Tak, to je rozumná řeč. Tak jo. Skurvysynův muž, chcípni. A jedem. Pěkně z ostra.
Stop scaring us decent folk. They ought to never let your kind in, Novigrad.
Má mít pověšený klíč. No, to jsem zvědavý, co to znamená. To bude vypadat nějaký šulda, tak nevím.
Lots of blue jerkins. Interesting.
Let's drink for it's nearly night.
I got pissed like a racehorse.
Yeah?
Know where I can get the best price on trout?
Perhaps. But it wasn't you I was to meet, sir.
Want to talk to the letter's recipient, I gotta be present.
Caution would advise.
Caution's advising you not to argue right now. Trust me.
Seems I've got no choice. Come with me. This way. It's not physical.
Oh! Chcípni!
Thank you. Let's go.
What did they want from you?
I've no clue. First time I've laid eyes on them. Maybe... Well, recently someone's been trying to question our messengers about the young Count. Hold on. Where's Miss Marigold? You was to come alone, miss.
If not for him, that trio would have dragged you in for questioning. The tall one was Valdo Morris, works for the witch hunters.
Aye, you're surely right, miss. It just weren't what I expected, since Lady Bagelbud...
So what's this about? Be straight.
Lady Bagelbud's son. He's the problem. Master Albert's taken an interest in alchemy. Temple Guard's gotten wind.
Wouldn't worry about the guard, but since the mage hunters tried to grab you, I'd say Albert's in serious trouble.
Aye. Lady Bagelbud bought off the guardsmen, since the hunters pay for every mage revealed to them.
Guardsmen took a bribe from the frightened family, and whispered a word to the hunters anyway. Seems Albert needs to disappear as soon as possible.
I can arrange that. Think young Vegelbud can slip out of the house unnoticed?
Tain't that simple, sadly. Master Albert's in hiding at the Vegelbud's country estate. Lady Ingrid's got the notion she can get him out quietly. Wants to throw a lavish masquerade ball.
Am I supposed to attend? Help him escape?
Aye, will not manage without you, miss. Lady Vegelbud fears the Alps being watched.
It's a good idea. A boisterous bash that'll distract the hunters.
Especially if even half of what I've heard about the Vegelbud's balls is true. Word is, at the last one they served 100 different desserts, and the fireworks boomed from dusk till dawn.
What with the war and all, Milady's ordained but 85 desserts this time. Won't be no candied petals of blue roses from Nazaire. The roses have become dreadfully hard to come by.
Oh, I'd love to see it all.
Hope we won't have to stay till the end.
You're coming with me?
Of course I am. Not about to send you into what could prove to be the lion's den by yourself. Think about it. 85 desserts, while you're still trying to keep your waist at 22 inches.
Geralt, please. How do we get to the residence?
Your invitation. Take it. The guard at the gate will have instructions for you. You're to wear a fox mask, all right? Good luck to you.
Think we can head there now?
You're kidding, right? We have to prepare. Change clothes. Most importantly, buy our masks. I bet you can get everything we need for the ball at Eliel's shop. You know it?
Been there before. Eliel's a friend of Dandelion's. Just masks, right? Probably don't need to wear a doublet, do I?
A doublet, Geralt. And it's not up for discussion. Take care of that, then come and see me.
Ach jo. Budu zase úplně kokot. Radši zbroj než nějaký takovýhle hadry, to bude. No vezmu si to, ať to nehraju jak trotl. Uvidíme, jak to půjde, no. Jedem. Tak, budeme pokračovat chvíli v tomto. Doufal jsem, že za tady tím šulínem už se znova nedostanu. Ale nedá se nic.
Come to look over my spring collection, perhaps?
Glad to take a glance at what you got.
Of course, please do. If anything chafes or pinches, I can alter it on the spot at no charge. Once I'm done, it'll feel like you're wearing nothing at all.
No, a co si mám jako koupit? No. Mám všechno. Boty. Toto. Nemám masku.
So long.
No. Jsem zvědavý, jak ten bál teda bude vypadat. Takovýhle hraní, to mě nikdy moc nebavilo. By to radši bylo, přijďte tam s armádou, rozsekáme na sračky. To by bylo něco. Že bychom v tom Novigradu udělali všechny ty questy. Měli hotovo. Vypadám jak trotl. Tady se určitě vyšperkuje. Ale kurva.
Oh my, certainly took my request to heart.
Mean you weren't being serious? Still got time to change.
Don't you dare. You look great. You get everything?
Everything's ready. We can go.
A shame events like this are so rare. Without them, I'd never get to see you dressed up.
Damn doublet's chafing my armpits, and it feels like they sewed wires into this.
I'll be sure to admire your valiant suffering the whole time. Well then, shall we go?
Jenom doufám, že ji opíchám, protože jinak s tím chlap s Geraltem naprosto souhlasíme.
Greetings, my lord, my lady.
We're Lady Ingrid Vegelbud's guests.
Your invitation, please. All's in order. You'll find Lady Vegelbud in the estate's yard. Look for the parrot mask. One more thing. Leave your swords here, please.
Must be some mistake. You know why we're here, don't you?
Of course. But I've orders to make certain every guest enters the estate unarmed.
Damn it.
A pleasant evening to you both.
Ach, tyhle. Dá se bez zbraní.
It's beautiful here. I haven't been outside the city in ages.
Scrawny harlot! Come now, don't cry. After all, he's not the only man.
To je možný.
But he's a baronet.
Hello.
Where will I find another
No use
baronet?
pretending you don't know.
Time to invest in Ruby.
Is that any way to treat an old mate? Refuse to acknowledge him?
There's been a mistake. I don't know you, sir.
Don't be foolish, Vivian. I'd recognize that mane anywhere. You might play the Great Dame now, but before that Baron Edward something pulled you from the gutter, you were a common...
Enough. The lady said she doesn't know you.
Who's this? The new one? Older than the last, it seems. A decrepit, moss-covered prick. So, the less they can, the more they pay. Is that it?
You asked for it.
Tak pojď. Na to, že to je jenom ubohej bohatý měšťan, tak jako rvát se umí.
We weren't supposed to draw any attention.
What? Nothing happened.
On a clear day, you can see Nilfgaard banners from the city wall.
Co? Vždyť se nic nestalo. Souhlasím s tím chlapcem.
Moritz, what are you doing here?
Little Miss Marigold. Well, well. And I was led to believe this would be an elegant affair.
Yes, I missed you too. But can we put that aside for now? Do you have a way out of Novigrad? You can join us if you want.
Join you? And just who would I join?
Your friends, among others. Once we've all gathered, I'll lead you.
You will lead. Forgive me, Marigold, but that is like allowing myself to be led by a lame duck. Farewell.
Who is that?
He's an old friend. His name's Moritz Diefenthal. Tell you the story later.
Ježiš.
Oh, let's look around.
Truth is, we're already dependent on the best parties. Ah, another challenger. Please join us. Sir Devenant just vacated his place at the table. It's rather unlikely he'll be back.
What happened to him?
Some good men took him aside to prevent him from hurting himself. So, shall we play? First, we will face Margrave Vladimir de Kouw. The man can afford to lose, so he's likely to be reckless.
Let's do it.
Tyba, jdeme hrát Gwent, jo. To jsem nečekal. Tak ten bal přece jenom k něčemu je. S tenisem máme, jasný, tak to je paráda. Přeměníme tuhle. Yeah! Škoda. Paráda, máme ho tu. Úžasné, úžasné. No. A jsme si kvit. Nilfgaard, no jo. Musím zapomenout na to, že mě jinak porazil. Jsme na tahu. Další 2 karty. Tady nemůžu prohrát, už mám na ruce 35 jasných. Aj. Tady kurva. Tak budeme trošku taktizovat. To je ta karta sežehnutí, ta by se mi hodila. Jako sůl. Jsme na ta. Asi v prdeli, kamaráde. Čuk. Cyrilan. Tenhle. A papa. Krásných 80.
So, one more round. When the cards come your way, you must spring on the opportunity. Your next opponent, Count Gomo Sealing. In his day, his father lost the family estate in the Nimnar Valley. Seems Gomo has followed in his footsteps. Yet, do not underestimate him. Desperate men can be dangerous.
Let's do it.
Tak jdem do toho. Předpokládám, že za to získám legendární kartu. Pak uvidíme, jestli mě to nesklame. A mám tam Sirinu. Paráda, ta se hodí. Zoltan Čivej. A odměním. A dobře jsem udělal. Dobrá, jdeme na přední linie. A je. To nemůžu ani resnout, do hajzlu. Tuhle legendary chci. Se trošku vyhází aspoň z karet. 18. A pošetříme do dalšího kola. Mohl jsem to i když zdablovat, no. Co, přijde mi na ruku? Přijde? Ne, škoda. No ještě, že máme mrazík. Vyrovnáme trošičku síly. Si dělá srandu, ne? co uděláš teď, ještě takhle s ním brutálně. Máš sluníčko? A kurva. Jo! Paráda! Myslel jsem, že mi sežene oba katapulty. Pierre Brooks.
Sir Marius Florin. They say he never loses thanks to his Zugelbone amulet. Naturally, I could tell you more on the subject, but...
Let's do it.
Tak. Mu říkám bál, to se mi líbí. Tohle nechcem, samozřejmě. Máme tady jasný světlo, který je mi k prdu. Teď když nechám se, vyměním tohle. Paráda! Aspoň trošku mi to jde do kombinace. To je tenhle. No. Chtělo by to aspoň mrazíka. Aspoň jednoho hrdinu. Dám nada, fajn. Takže já vyhodím obyč. Potřebuji protáhnout, bude mi tam hodit teď stanise. Teda stanise. Kurva, teď má zlatou zbroj do piče. No. A tvůj protivník vynechal tah. Takže já můžu vyhodit za 6, to je 5. Jsme si rovně, přijdeme okolo. Musel... A to tam hodím. Ještě, že jedna příšera mu vždycky zůstane. Já bych vyhrál, tak tam musím hodit... Já tam mám 4, já. Já tohle kolo potřebuji vyhrát. 5. Třeba tohle. Hlavní je, že si líznu další, no, Zoltana. Začneme učišníkama. Jsem si mohl myslet. Tak. Tak, co on to řekne třeba Vesemira? Si teoreticky myslím, že bych tohle kolo mohl vyhrát. Já mám ruku hodně nabitou, ale on tam má pak ještě ty vyvolávačky, jo. To je zase otázka druhá. Přesně tohle jsem měl na mysli, no. A tohle se porazit nedá. Ať se protáhne o jedno kolo. Ano! Dobrý. To je luxusně. Luxusně zahraný. 90, jasný. Vynechám vám tak. Teď si dělej, co chceš. To máš ještě ježibaby, ty vá. Na všechny 3, jo. Slá obloha, no jasný. A nebo zdržuješ. Tak, hlavně ne nic extra velkýho. 10, 30. Jo, vyjde mi to. Jen tak, ale vyjde. Máš to, mrde. Tak. Zkáváš nový předmět, Marigold. Ne, tak se rovnou kouknem, co to je. Marigold. Dvojnásobí si všemi dotkám v dané řadě. A jednu za dobře použít jenom jednou. Paráda. Marigold se mi hodí. byť je dvojkovej, má šanci zvednutí celý dřady. Tyva, to je úžasný. Tak jo, tady to uložíme. Budeme pokračovat příště, začnu rovnou tady. A doufám, že se vám video líbilo. Pokud jo, dejte like, pokud hodně, tak můžete dát i odběr, mě to potěší. Jestli vás něco trápí nebo něco vás zajímá, stačí napsat do komentářů. Pod videem můžete najít moji facebookovou stránku a všechno, co se toho týče. A uvidíme se u dalšího videa. Ale to tady vypadá luxusně, co hoši? Víte, na co myslím. Uvidíme se u dalšího videa. Mějte se, čau.